Hello. In the previous example, we have done a lots of coding stuff in the component template property. So, in this tutorial, we'll be dealing with the template URL option, which is provided by this Angular 2, and the absolute versus relative paths, how it is going to be used in this Angular 2. So, the problem statement here is when our template grows bigger, it's annoying and difficult to maintain them. So in that case, we can keep our HTML in an external HTML page and load it with template URL option in the component. So for that, I am removing all the HTML stuff and will put into separate HTML page. And I'm also removing stuff from app component. Now we'll create view directory which contains our HTML pages under this app directory. So let's rename this template to template URL and give HTML page to this option. Say view app.component.tpl.html. Now let's create this view directory under this app folder. Directory, say view, and under this view I am creating app component tpl.html file. In this file I am writing some HTML stuff here. This is component template. Now let's go ahead and look into the browser. Here, as you can see, I'm not getting anything, and I got the error because by default Angular looks all the directories from its absolute path. That means it is taking all the directory references from the project root, and this view directory is under the app directory, not in the project root, that is not in the Angular example 1. So to available that template to Angular, we need to configure relative path by setting module ID in the @ component. So I'm writing here module ID colon module.id. So remember, this is a key here. Now let's reload. Yeah, I got the result, like this is component template. So this is how we can configure relative path by setting module ID. And so by setting this, we tell Angular that you will look all the files relative to this component class file, like from this view, and under this view take this app component template HTML. So now let's change this template to from relative path. Oops, sorry. Now let's remove this from the app component. So here I am configuring the absolute path. So for that, under this project root, I am creating a directory named as view. And under this view, I'm paste this app component template and change the name to absolute. Now let's look into the browser. Here as you can see, it is taking template from its absolute path, not from the relative path, because we have removed the module ID here from the component. Now let's provide the module ID again. Now again reload the browser, and here it is taking the template from its relative path. So this is how we can configure absolute and relative path in Angular 2. So that's pretty much in this video. Okay guys, thanks for watching.